Hello SciChart users, today we're going to be covering tutorial number 5, which is adding tooltips and legends to a WPF chart in code. All of the tutorials for SciChart can be found by going to www.scichart.com and under developers clicking on tutorials and then the WPF chart tutorials. This tutorial assumes that you've completed the previous tutorials, which include referencing a SciChartSurface, referencing the SciChart DLLs, creating a SciChartSurface, adding some series to a SciChartSurface, and adding zooming and panning behavior. If you haven't completed these tutorials, I suggest that you take a look. Also, you can find all of our tutorials online, the source code at github.com/abtsoftware/SciChart.wpf examples under V5 tutorials. So let's go ahead and start working on this tutorial. In order to add a legend to the chart, we use our LegendModifier class. This is part of the Chart Modifier API, which is documented extensively in our WPF chart documentation here. The legend modifier adds a legend to the chart when show legend is true. You can set the orientation and the vertical and horizontal alignment of the legend. You can also set whether it is inside or outside of the chart. Several advanced options are available for customizing the legend template. These can be found in our documentation under Legend Modifier. To add a tooltip to the chart, there are several methods to do this. In this tutorial, we use the rollover modifier. The rollover modifier places a single vertical line on the chart, and as you move the mouse, this line moves left and right. Tooltips can be shown for some or all of the series on mouse hover, mouse over, or mouse down. So let's go ahead and begin by adding this code to our chart. If we run the application now, we should see a legend and a tooltip on the chart. As you can see, the tooltip is showing for the two data points at the top and the bottom of the chart. If I zoom out, that should be a little bit clearer. And the legend is placed at the bottom of the chart. There are no labels on the legend identifying the series. This is because we haven't set a series name in code. So we can go ahead and do that in code behind. And when we run it again, we should now see these two labels, scatter data and line data, in our legend and on our tooltip. This concludes a very simple tutorial on how to add legends and how to add tooltips to the chart. If you want to find out more about these topics, have a look at these articles on the rollover modifier and also other tooltip types, the cursor modifier, tooltip modifier, vertical slice modifier, and legend modifier. Each of these articles goes into great detail, telling you how you can customize the legend, how you can customize tooltips, and update templates, bindings, and so on and so forth. If you have any questions about this tutorial or need further assistance, please feel free to visit www.scichart.com/questions or open a support ticket at support.scichart.com.